Hello and namaste everyone. I am Barsa Basnet, your Nepali language tutor. Welcome back to Learn Nepali with Barsa. Today I am here with the session on different useful sentences and phrases in Nepali language. If you are new in our channel, do not forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get notified for the further videos. And if you want to support us, please do visit our Patreon page. Now, let's jump into our lesson. The first phrase is namaste, which means hello. Namaste, 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 hello. Moving on to the second phrase is the short phrase to say how are you or are you fine in Nepali. Sanchai. You can use this for your friends or anyone who are junior than you, but I recommend not to use this phrase to senior. For seniors, you can use Sanchai hunuhuncha. Sanchai, Sanchai. Next one is Feri भन्नुस् न. Please say it again. Feri भन्नुस् न. Feri भन्नुस् न. Feri भन्नुस् न. Please say it again. Moving on to the next, it is बिस्तारै भन्नुस् न. बिस्तारै भन्नुस् न. Please say it slowly. बिस्तारै भन्नुस् न. बिस्तारै भन्नुस् न. Next one is फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. फेरि भेटौँला. फेरि भेटौँला. फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. अर्को हप्ता भेटौँला. See you next week. अर्को हप्ता भेटौँला. अर्को हप्ता भेटौँला. अर्को हप्ता भेटौँला. See you next week. Next one is बुझ्नुभयो त? Did you understand? बुझ्नुभयो त? बुझ्नुभयो त? बुझ्नुभयो त? Did you understand? Here ta is a particle, and for detail on particle I will soon make a next video. For that, please stay connected with us. To answer this, you can say मैले बुझेँ. I understood. मैले बुझेँ. मैले बुझेँ. मैले बुझेँ. I understood. If you have not understand, you can say मैले बुझिनँ. I did not understand. मैले बुझिनँ. मैले बुझिनँ. मैले बुझिनँ. I did not understand. Next sentence is म अलिअलि नेपाली भाषा बोल्न सक्छु. म अलिअलि नेपाली भाषा बोल्न सक्छु. I can speak a little Nepali language. म अलिअलि नेपाली भाषा बोल्न सक्छु. म अलिअलि नेपाली भाषा बोल्न सक्छु. I can speak a little Nepali language. Moving on to the next, it is word and भनेको के हो. In the word, you have to say the Nepali word. For example, भाषा भनेको के हो. Here, भाषा means language. If you don't know what भाषा means in English, you can simply say भाषा भनेको के हो. What does the word भाषा means? भाषा भनेको के हो. Another one frequently and mostly used word is एकछिन, which means just a while or please wait for a while. एकछिन. एकछिन. You can say एकछिन बस्नुस् न for please sit for a while. Normally we just say एकछिन for just a while. Moving on to the next, it is मैले त फुसुक्कै बिर्से. I completely forgot it. Here the word फुसुक्कै is adverb in Nepali language. This kind of word makes the Nepali language very interesting. मैले त फुसुक्कै बिर्से. मैले त फुसुक्कै बिर्से. Another one is राम्रोसँग बस्नुस् है. Please stay nicely. राम्रोसँग बस्नुस् है राम्रोसँग बस्नुस् है Please stay nicely Next one is समय मिलाएर मेरो घरमा आउनुस् न Please come to my house arranging the time I am in hurry you can say मलाई धेरै हतार भयो If you want to say we are in hurry you can say हामीलाई धेरै हतार भयो Moving on to the next it's हतार नगर्नुस् न Please don't hurry हतार नगर्नुस् न हतार नगर्नुस् न हतार नगर्नुस् न Please don't hurry Another sentence is मलाई माफ गर्नुस् Please forgive me मलाई माफ गर्नुस् मलाई माफ गर्नुस् मलाई माफ गर्नुस् Please forgive me Next one is मसँग नरिसाउनुस् है Please don't be angry with me okay मसँग नरिसाउनुस् है मसँग नरिसाउनुस् है Please don't be angry with me Moving on to the next उहाँले भनेको मान्नुस् न which means please obey what he says उहाँले भनेको मान्नुस् न उहाँले भनेको मान्नुस् न Next one is mostly used phrase again केही छैन which means no problem केही छैन Here ha is often silent while speaking केही छैन Another one is मलाई भोक लाग्यो I'm hungry मलाई भोक लाग्यो मलाई भोक लाग्यो मलाई भोक लाग्यो I'm hungry Next sentence is म नेपाली भाषा सिक्दै छु म नेपाली भाषा सिक्दै छु I'm learning Nepali language म नेपाली भाषा सिक्दै छु म नेपाली भाषा सिक्दै छु म नेपाली भाषा सिक्दै छु I'm learning Nepali language Next question I'm going to teach is very useful for those who are right now in Nepal and the question is फेरि निषेधाज्ञा हुन्छ फेरि निषेधाज्ञा हुन्छ फेरि निषेधाज्ञा हुन्छ Will the lockdown happen again or will there be lockdown again You can simply answer in this way हुन सक्छ which means maybe हुन सक्छ हुन सक्छ हुन सक्छ maybe Next question I'm going to teach is very useful to ask the location or to ask the direction. Kathmandu जाने बाटो कुन हो? Which is the way to go to Kathmandu? Kathmandu जाने बाटो कुन हो? Kathmandu जाने बाटो कुन हो? Next question you can ask if you don't know some word in Nepali language. For this you need to use the structure word in English and lie नेपालीमा के भनिन्छ For example tourist लाई नेपालीमा के भनिन्छ What is tourist called in Nepali Tourist लाई नेपालीमा के भनिन्छ Tourist लाई नेपालीमा के भनिन्छ Moving on to the next पक्का हो Is it sure पक्का हो Pakka ho? Pakka ho? Is it sure? Another is similar to pakka ho, which is satsai ho. This means is it true? Satsai ho? Satsai ho? Satsai ho? Is it true? Next one is आज पानी पर्छ होला. आज पानी पर्छ होला. It might rain today. आज पानी पर्छ होला. आज पानी पर्छ होला. आज पानी पर्छ होला. It might rain today. Next one is चिन्ता नगर्नुस्. चिन्ता नगर्नुस्. Don't worry. चिन्ता नगर्नुस्. चिन्ता नगर्नुस्. चिन्ता नगर्नुस्. Please don't worry. Next one is निश्चित छैन. It's not sure. निश्चित छैन. निश्चित छैन. निश्चित छैन. It's not sure. And finally the last one is तयार भएर बस्नुस् है. Please be ready. तयार भएर बस्नुस् है. तयार भएर बस्नुस् है. तयार भएर बस्नुस् है. Thank you everyone. I hope this video is useful for you. If so, please do not forget to give like to our video, and if you have any confusion, please do leave a comment below. With this, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you. Namaste.